Beckhoff will be presenting its multi-system high-performance automatic solution for all areas of stage and show technology at the Prolight Sound 2018. On the basis of its high level of integration and its extensive connectivity, it is suitable for use as a universal platform for controlling all systems and devices.
Beckhoff offers for the entertainment technology world one single platform also on the software side called EtherCAT. With EtherCAT, the integrator can connect into the actuators and sensors, but also to the entertainment relevant communication protocols like DMX, streaming ACN, ArtNet, SMPTE timecode or OCA. And in addition, he can also communicate into the cloud, and that's all based on one single platform called EtherCAT.
Beckhoff is exhibiting two representatives of the new extremely compact industrial PC generation at the Prolight Sound.
The C6015 series from Beckhoff is a compact form factor industrial PC with Atom processors inside. The C6030 series is also a compact version, but with way more performant processors inside, up to 3.6 GHz per core. Both PCs can be used in entertainment application as all-in-one controller for flexible use.
The AMP8000 decentralized servo drive system integrates the servo drive directly in the servo motor and thus opens up new possibilities for modular application concepts.
Beckhoff integrates with the AMP8000 now the amplifier into the motor, and that with the same flange size than the well-known AM8000 series also offers. This brings the benefits for the system integrator that the cabinets can be smaller, as the amplifier is now closer to the application, and also the cabling is much more easier and cost efficient.
Beckhoff expands the possible uses of EtherCAT in heterogeneous network environments with the EK1000 EtherCAT coupler. Support for TSN functions in the coupler enables the minimization of delay times in the Ethernet network due to TSN switches and allows the wide range of EtherCAT devices and EtherCAT I/O terminals to be connected to the TSN world.